Hello everyone, and welcome back. Today, we're diving into something truly fascinating, something that happens all around us, every single moment, yet we rarely stop to think about it. Have you ever paused and wondered, how do plants actually breathe? It's a question that might seem simple, but the answer is incredibly intricate and vital to life on Earth. When we think of breathing, we usually picture ourselves taking in oxygen and exhaling carbon dioxide. Plants, however, have a slightly different, yet equally essential, process. They don't have lungs like we do, but they do have specialized structures that allow them to exchange gases with their environment. The primary way plants breathe is through tiny pores, mostly found on the underside of their leaves, called stomata. Think of them as microscopic mouths. Each stoma is surrounded by guard cells, which can open and close these pores. When the stomata are open, carbon dioxide from the atmosphere can enter the plant. This carbon dioxide is absolutely crucial for photosynthesis, the process by which plants create their own food using sunlight. But it's not just about taking in carbon dioxide. During photosynthesis, plants also produce oxygen as a byproduct. This oxygen is then released back into the atmosphere through those same stomata. So, in a way, plants are constantly taking in what we exhale and releasing what we need to survive. It's a beautiful, symbiotic relationship that sustains our entire planet. Now, you might be wondering, what about when plants aren't photosynthesizing, like at night? Well, plants still respire, just like we do. Respiration is the process where plants break down the sugars they've created to release energy for their growth and other life functions. During respiration, plants take in oxygen and release carbon dioxide. So, while photosynthesis is the dominant gas exchange during the day, respiration is happening all the time, day and night. The opening and closing of stomata are carefully regulated. They tend to open when there's enough sunlight for photosynthesis and when the plant has sufficient water. If a plant is experiencing drought, its stomata will close to conserve water, which also means less gas exchange. This is why watering your plants is so important. It directly impacts their ability to breathe and thrive. It's also worth noting that stems and roots can also participate in gas exchange, though to a lesser extent than leaves. Some plants have lenticels, which are pores in the bark of woody stems, that allow for this exchange. So, the next time you see a lush green leaf, remember the incredible, silent work happening within. Those tiny stomata are busy facilitating a constant exchange, fueling the plant's life and, in turn, supporting ours. It's a reminder of the intricate balance of nature and the profound importance of every living organism. Thank you so much for joining me on this exploration. I hope you found it as fascinating as I do. If you enjoyed this, please consider following for more dives into the wonders of the natural world.